Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to remove a card from the Google Wallet app. So if you want to delete a payment card from Google Wallet, then just follow along. First, open the Google Wallet app on your phone, then find and tap the card you'd like to remove. Next, tap the More button, which is usually shown as 3 dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Remove Payment Method or Remove Card. Then read the confirmation message and tap Remove to confirm. After the card is removed, it will no longer be available for contactless payments or purchases through Google Wallet on that device. And if the card was added to multiple devices, you'll need to remove it separately from each one if needed. So that was how to remove a card from the Google Wallet app. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.